Hello friends, we are here with another question of IGCSE February March 2024. In the first part, the examiner asked to factorize this algebraic expression. To make the factors of this, first of all, you have to multiply this number, this 1 with 12, and you will get the number 12. Now you have to factorize this one. The simple way to factorize this number is just to read the tables. 1 multiplied by 12, that is 12. 2 multiplied by 6, that is 12. 3 multiplied by 4. Don't break the sequence. 1, 2, 3. Then next 4 multiplied by 3. Now see some of the rules. If there is minus, it means these two numbers have to take the different symbols. But the bigger one will have the symbol with the middle term. Here with the middle term we are having negative. This negative shows that we have to put different signs, but this negative shows we have to put the negative with bigger one. Negative, 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 negative. In order to justify this symbol, we have to put plus over here, plus over here, plus over here, and plus over here. Now we have to see the two conditions. When we multiply, we should get this number. When we add or subtract, we should get the middle term. 1 into 12 will be 12. Okay. But plus 1 minus 12 will be minus 11. But here it is 1. So this is not the factor. Move towards the next one. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Okay. In order to get the middle term, plus 2 minus 6 will be 4, not 1. So this is also not a factor. Now come to the third one. 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12. Okay. Plus 3 and minus 4 will be minus 1. It means that we are getting the two conditions to be fulfilled over here. This and this one. So this is the factor. Now factorize it. X square plus 3x minus 4x minus 12. Now take the common from the first two terms. X plus 3, x plus 3. So take again common x plus 3. Here you are left with x minus 4. Or simply you can write from here x plus 3 or x minus 4. This is the factorization of this expression. Now come to question number 2. The second part says simplify this expression. Since we can write x square minus 4 square, 16 can be written as 4 whole square. While this expression is being solved in part 1, so we can place the result over here, x minus 4. Here we apply the formula x plus 4 or x minus 4. In a denominator, you are getting x plus 3 or x minus 4. After cancellation, you will get the result x plus 4 over x plus 3. This expression is a simplification of this expression. Now come to question number B part. Simplify this expression as we are here with another simplification of algebraic expression. Since we know that this is the formula of whole square, this is also the formula of whole square, you will expand this one and this one, then you have to apply this negative symbol. So let's move toward the question. If we open this expression as a square plus b square minus 2ab. Open this expression as well. A square b square plus 2ab. After solving, 2x square will be 4x square plus 9 minus 2 times 4, 3 times 12x minus x square minus 1 minus 2x, and here 4x square and x square will make 3x square, minus 12 and minus 2 will make minus 14x, and plus 9 and minus 1 will make 8. This is a simplification of this algebraic expression. If we move towards the next question, the examiner asks to write the single fraction in a simplest form. Since we are very much familiar that this is one fraction and this is one fraction, we have to combine these fraction into one. So we have to take the LCM of this expression, x plus 1, x minus 3. You have to multiply this with this and this with this one. 2x plus 4 multiply with x minus 3 minus x multiply with x plus 1. Now expand the expression. You will get 2x square minus 6x plus 4 and minus 12. X into x will be minus x square, plus minus will be minus x 1 times x. So x plus 1 x minus 3. Simplify the numerator. 2x square and minus x square will be x square. 6, 4 and minus 1 will give you 3x. Furthermore, you will be having a constant as minus 12, x plus 1 and x minus 3. This is the simplest form in a single fraction. Part D says expand and simplify this expression. We will multiply these two brackets first. X with x will give you x square. 5 with x will be 5x. 3 with x will be 3x. Minus minus will be plus. 5 3 times 15. 2x plus 1. Simplify this one. X square minus 5 and 3 will be 8 plus 15. 2x plus 1. Now you have to multiply x square with this 2x. You will get 2x cube plus x square minus 16x square minus 8 minus 8x plus 30x plus 15. After simplification, you will get 2x cube. You have to solve these two figures together. 15x square. You have to solve these two terms as well. 22x plus 15. This is the expansion and simplification of this algebraic expression. The last part of the question says solve the simultaneous equations and you are bound to show all your working as well. We have to solve these two equations. Let us call this one as first equation and this one as second equation. From equation 1 you can separate x. Okay? So 1 implies x is equals to 13. We have to shift this one, so minus will be converted into plus. So you have to put in equation number 2. What you will get? 2 into 13 plus 3y whole square minus 9y, and shift this 116 over here is equals to 0. Now simply expand the expression. You will get 13 square 3y square plus 2ab minus 9y minus 116 equals to 0. Simplify furthermore. 13 square will be compiled as 169 plus 9y square. When you multiply all these three terms, you will get 78y minus 9y minus 116 equals to 0. Now multiply this 2 with this one, you will get 338 plus 18y square plus 156y minus 9y minus 116 equals to 0. After solving, you will be having 18y square. You have to solve these two terms together. After solution, you will get 147y, and you have to use these two terms together. That will give you 2 equals to 0. Now take the common. Common can be taken as 3. Take 3 as common. So we'll be left with 6y square plus 49y plus 74 equals to 0. Here you know, when you divide this 3 by 0, it will be finished or vanished from the expression. 7y is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. You have to factorize it. Factorization is quite clear in first question. So here we are just typing the result. It can be factorized as 6y square plus 37y plus 12y 74 equal to 0. After taking common, y can be taken as common, so you will be left with this expression, 6y plus 37 and y plus 2 equals to 0. Here you will get the two values of y, plus 37 equal to 0 or y plus 2 equals to 0. So the value of y is minus 37 by 6. From here you will get the value of y is equals to minus 2. Further, you have to use these two values, this one and this one, in this expression in order to get the two values of x. So x is equals to 13 plus 3 minus 37 by 6. After taking the LCM and simplification, you will get the answer minus 1 by 2, means 11 by 2. In the same way, you have to put this y is equal to minus 2 in this expression. X is equals to 13 plus 3 into minus 2. X is equal to 13 minus 6, and here you get 7. These are the expressions, or you can say these are the solutions of this simultaneous equation. When you will be having y as minus 37 by 6, you will get x as minus 11 by 2. And when you will be having y is equals to minus 2, the result of x will be x is equal to 7. This is basically a solution of these two simultaneous equations. If you face any sort of problem, you are always welcome in a comment section. Hopefully you understood each and everything. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching the video.